Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's dive into a common problem that many of us encounter when working with functions in R. The problem we have at hand today involves a scenario where we need to apply a function to pairs of columns in a data frame using the summarise function. Imagine having to do this for 100 pairs of columns. Talk about a tedious task. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. One way to tackle this issue is by using the map2_df function from the dplyr package along with the pick function. By combining these tools with the summarise function from dplyr, we can efficiently apply the desired function to pairs of columns in our dataset. This approach streamlines the process and helps us avoid repetitive code for each pair of columns. Continuing with the solution, we can define a custom function named fin that takes two arguments, a and b, and performs a specific operation on them. In this case, let's say our function calculates the sum of the two input values. By defining and using this custom function in conjunction with the map2_df approach mentioned earlier, we can easily apply our custom function to the pairs of columns in our dataset. To wrap things up, we've explored a practical solution to a common problem faced by our users when working with functions and summarizing data frames. By leveraging the map2_df function, along with a custom function tailored to our specific needs, we've efficiently applied a function to pairs of columns in our dataset. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy coding!